Okay, I cannot hit those high notes. I shouldn't even try. Beep, beep, ba-doop. Meep, 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 meep. Meep, 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 meep. Meep, 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 meep. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Hey, Joel Walker. Welcome to stream. Oh, I didn't actually announce my Hat in Time DLC stream the other day. That sucks. Unity, where are you? Where you go, Unity? Come back. Come back. There you are. Do 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 da 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 ba ba da ba ba da la da ba ba da da ba la da ba ba da ba ba. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Here is problem, and I will show you fix. Problem. When you go and you roll under here, and then you unroll, you are now stuck. You can get unstuck, but that's you don't want to be stuck. That should not be a happen. I'll show you. Let me show you this cool thing though. Doop boop 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 doop doop. Check this out. Yay! Wee! Oh, I missed. I didn't go far enough. I'd be really good at bug fixing. Yeah, I'm pretty good at bug fixing. Wee! Wee! Did it. Awesome. Yay! 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 Alright. How am I going to fix this? I will show you how I'm going to fix this. I will show you how to count all the way to 55. Bet no one here remembers that joke. Alright, character. Ball character. I am not in Seattle. I wish I was, because then I could get job easy. But I am not. I am in a place where it is hard to get programming job. That is video games. Video games programming's jobs. Alright, so we have deactivate ball mode here. First thing we're gonna do is we are going to resolve a little problem. Here's what we're gonna do. This is gonna be out vector 3 velocity don't need to return that. Public bool. Return true. Alt vector 3 will. Alright. Capsule float capsule height float capsule radius. All right. What the fuck? What the fuck? But this is a function though. What the fuck? Yeah, okay. That's the problem. That needs to be commas. I'm a doofball. I'm a goofus. Imagine me making that mistake after programming fucking all of this. And like, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna use semicolons in the function definition. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Actually, we're gonna instead of doing this, we're gonna go better character controller. And we're gonna go for this, we're gonna add a little function, a little public function, pubic function. And we're gonna call it public bool resolve resolve intersection and then float distance. So what this is gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and where's my my summaries. I misspelled vertical there. I'm gonna fix that. Summary. Cast in every... I believe there's 26 directions. Let me think. There's 3 times 8 plus 2 more. So that's 24 plus 2 is 26. All right. Mouse direction to exit. To escape the intersection. All right. So I'll be right back. I gotta go get a drink of water. Can I join your 3 gift card giveaway? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have one of those. I don't have one of those. Move HDMI cord. Okay. Okay. Ooh, resolved. Intersection equals false. Return resolved intersection. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go for int I equals -1, I is less than 1, I plus plus. Alright. And then J. And then K. If I equals 0 and J equals 0. What the fuck? Just J. And K equals 0. Continue. So that just skips it. That just skips that entire iteration. So every other iteration we want to use. What's this? Oh, I just fucking messed that up. Alright. Alright. Let's go ahead and save this and save this. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. What happened to the GTA videos? I just can't do that. First of all, GTA takes too much space on my hard drive and it's causing problems. Second of all, it's just not. I ran out of stuff to do, and it's like I don't know. Yeah, I just ran out of stuff to do. The only ideas I have left are just too ambitious, and I don't think I'd be able to do them. Alright. I understand my GTA videos are kind of coming back in popularity because of the YouTube algorithm, which is always cool when that happens. But yeah, I'm gonna have to figure something else out if I want to go back to those because I can't have that game on my hard drive. It's like literally damaging my hard drive with how full my hard drive is whenever I have that game on it because my hard drive has like a capacity that's only like 3 times as much as the game is big. Alright, so vector 3 direction equals new vector 3 I j k. So yeah, this will do 27 direction. This will do 27 directions, and then it will, if it's the 0, 0, 0, it just won't do anything. So direction dot normalize. All right, and then I'm gonna put a raycast hit over out here so that it whatever. Raycast hit info. Hit info. Wait. Physics dot capsule cast. Let me copy this code up here. Point dist equals this. I don't think hard drives are expensive to find. I don't have a lot of money. I'm just gonna say that right now. I don't have a lot of money. Oops. Stop. Copy it. Paste it. All right. This is point 2. Oink. Point 1. Point 2. Capsule radius. direction, distance, layer mask, hold on, what is it? Geometry collision layers. But where's the arbitrary direction? Yeah, okay. Out, hit info. Oh, so Dungeon, those videos I made on GTA are stuff I coded myself. So that's how you would know I knew how to code, is because I coded the mods on GTA that allowed me to make those videos. Is there anything else I can? No query trigger interaction. All right. And okay, so we got our hit info. Vector 3 cast origin, and then if bip and bip and then cast origin equals hit info dot distance transform dot position plus hit info dot distance times direction. Minus skin width. So skin width is just what we're doing every time to make sure that we don't have problems with colliding into things. All right. Else cast origin equals times distance. Let me get rid of the minus skin width abstraction. All right, so the next thing we have to do is make sure that we actually All right, cool. I need to make sure we're actually not still inside something, because if we're still inside something, then we need to just bail out of this entire sequence, because we can't actually get to that point. So what we're going to do now is if physics dot capsule overlap capsule point 1, point 2 radius geometry collision layers. Dot length is greater than 0. Let's make this a little more collider, coal, buffer, new collider 1. So basically what we're doing here is we're saying, okay, we only need to check for one of these, and if there's more than one, just bail. Don't think about it. Coal buffer. Okay. And then instead of this, we're gonna say, take this out of the if statement, put it out in semicolon. If coal buffer 0 is not equal to null. So that way, I believe that this will, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the documentation for this anyways, just to make sure I'm doing the right thing. Bow, 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 bow. Oh, okay, I can just check yeah, I can just do this. I don't need to do this. All right. If, do. Hopefully this won't cause any problems if I have more than one. I don't think it will. Boo, boo, boo. How long have we been working on this project? Less than a work week. Alright, so if that is greater than 0, then continue. Just fucking bail. Bail the mail. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this out here so that we have less garbage collection. And then once we get to the end of this whole function, oops, I shouldn't be doing that. Alright, we need, alright. We have all these. We also need a float max min distance. We'll have that equals equals distance, because it can't be greater than that. It can't be greater than that. All right. So, we have that. And then what we want to do is we want to do a capsule cast back to from the capsule origin to the original position. You called yours better character controller as well? Yeah. That's what it is, isn't it? It's just a character controller that's better. Wait. Okay. So we take vector 3 new point 1 equals cast origin plus let's just do this. Beep. Bonk. Bonk. Okay, I did this wrong. I did this whole thing wrong. This should be up here, and then this needs to be like that. And good thing I caught that. I would be very confused about what I'm doing. All right. So now, basically what we're doing is we're going to take capsule cast from the new point, and we're going to go in the opposite direction, same distance, and all right, actually I should do something first. If we aren't actually overlapping anything, just go fucking just go return if this is equals 0, which means this is basically saying if we check and see if we're intersecting anything and we're not actually intersecting anything, just bail. So return true. Pretend we resolved the intersection because there was no intersection to resolve. Okay. Let's double check that. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna go ahead and put a comment in. Alright. Now, alright, remove this part. New point 1, new point 2, capsule radius, negative direction, hit info. And then, cast. Alright. Equals hit info dot distance cast back distance equals distance. Only 14 people? I mean, that's more than to show up for most of my streams. Oh, okay. And then this should be cast back distance. Alright, so this is casting in the opposite direction, and basically what we're going to say is if that goes, vector 3 desired point equals Alright, so capsule cast direction. Alright. Position equal, oops. Stop. Vector, sorry, my brain's kind of, vector 3, end position equals out, cast origin. I need a little break. I've been programming for a little while. I need to go get a water and something to let my brain rest. Plus, minus, direction times hit info dot distance minus skin width. And then float pit and pos distance equals this dot transform minus end position. Nope. Dot magnitude. Come on. That's a vector 3. That's a vector 3. What the fuck? Oh, no, it's not, because it's on dot position. Sorry, I need a break. Dot magnitude. If end pos distance is less than min distance, end pos distance, min distance equals end pos distance, and desired, let's do desired position. Yo, what's up, Kekit? Desired position equals end position. And resolved intersection equals true. Oh. Hello, thanks for the monies. Thank you very much for all of the monies. That will show up in a second. Let me make sure. Yeah, Streamlabs is on top.
What are you making?
Sorry for the clipping. That clipping is not good. Sorry about that. Did it make the noise? It didn't make the noise for me. God damn it. That's weird. It made the wah wah noise. Huh, why didn't I hear it? That's really odd. Sorry about that. I don't know why I didn't hear it. Whatever. Whatever. It's fine. It's all good. Let me see if I can fix it though. Yeah, it doesn't, whatever. Okay, as long as you all heard it, that's fine. Alright, so, before we return resolved intersection. What, are we missing a, no. This just needs to be, here. Alright, before we return resolved intersection, if resolved intersection, then move attempt set position desired position blank, and we are going to see if this works. So the obvious, the whole... Okay, so... I'll show you what I'm making very soon. Just let me get through this code. So where are we gonna do this? Transform saved transform equals transform. This should be capitalized. Am I allowed to do this? Yes. Okay. And then if character controller dot resolve intersection we're just gonna give it absurdly high distance. We'd never want to make it that big, but usually you'd want to give it like the radius of the capsule. But yeah, if that, then return false, and we're gonna see if this works. What the fuck? Okay. What do I mean? Deactivate ball mode. Okay, yeah, we need character controller. Out velocity. I mean, character controller doesn't. Controller. Alright. If that, then is curled up equals false. All right, so basically what we're gonna say is don't fucking do this until we have successfully exited ball mode. Don't stop curling up. Don't do things. Also, when we put it down, we do actually want to remove this no matter what, so it doesn't think we're releasing it. All right, let's try it. Yes, we're first. Oh, it didn't work that time. Huh. First fucking try. I need to make sure it always works, though. It didn't work that time. Let's test it on these stairs. Nope. Nope. Something's not working right. Oh, here we go. I need to do this. Okay. That should prevent part of that from happening. Did I even save the fucking... I did. So it shouldn't be, Okay, wait, hold on. This is a class. This is passing by reference, so, I'm an idiot. Transform, save, transform, pause. I need to do this. So that was passing a reference. So obviously it's not gonna. This wasn't doing anything. Transform dot position. Save transform. Oops! Come on! Don't do that! Don't do that to me! Stop it! Quaternion equals transform dot rotation, and then let's try that again. So this should at least prevent it from like resetting the stuff. All right, yeah. But now I can't unroll. Let's put some stuff in that all right, so what is the rotary heart? Okay. Rotary heart dot lib dot physics extension dot physics dot capsule cast Jesus fucking Christ. Why did they make it so fucking... Okay, why did they name it physics? Rotary heart dot lib dot physics extension dot physics dot preview condition. Look at this fucking bullshit. Dot editor. Zero. Color dot green. Wait, color dot red. Color dot green. There. Using I don't remember. Did I do that in the wrong order? Hold on, I have to look up the freaking C# using as. No, that's not. Okay, that's not quite. Okay. Oh, here we go. Using equals. Okay, I got this in the reverse order. Cool. We did it. Thank you. Thank you, searching. So instead we're going to use fucking debug physics. Let's capitalize it. Rename. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I mean, it doesn't exist in current. That's the same thing. The fuck? Okay, whatever. Intelligence is dumb. Alright. So let's see what it's actually drawing these as. Is it drawing them? Maybe turn gizmos on. Looks like it casts them in every direction except it's not working right. Let's put this in the fucking let's just make it so this fires at all times. Let's put it in the fixed update. Resolve intersections just to test and see what's going on. Why is it not firing normally? Oh, it's because it's not on the ground. Okay. Let's comment this part out. Yeah, so it fires at all times so we can see exactly where it's putting them. So this is not ideal. Why is it only doing... It's only doing like 1/4 of the capsule cast that it should be doing. Or is it not doing the other ones? It looks like it is doing the other ones, they're just not making it anywhere. Huh. Okay. Oh. I'm a dumbass and I made that mistake and I found it. Now it's good. There we go. Oh shit. Is that because of drawing them or is it because of doing it? I bet it's because of drawing them. Let's not draw them. Well, let's see if it's because of drawing them. It probably is. Nope. It's just really inefficient. Or maybe their program isn't efficient. Maybe their version isn't efficient. Maybe if I just do normal capsule casts, it'll be fine. Yeah, it was their version. Okay, so yeah, their version of the thing is too slow, but capsule casts are cheap. It's just you don't. Yeah, their version doesn't work well. But capsule casts are cheap, and they should be cheap. So it's not too many capsule casts. You can do way more capsule casts than that without slowing the game down. Yeah. So I'm gonna remove resolve intersections. Oops. I'm gonna assume this is working correctly now. and go ahead and try it over here on the stairs. Yep. Yep. Oh, didn't work. Why is it happening, working sometimes and not others? All right, I need one more overlap. I need one more. I need one more emergency check, which is no, that's not. I'm not gonna do that. I need to figure out why it's doing that. Let's return the debug helper. That's not what we want. Okay, hold on. Wrong function. Oops. Zero color dot red color dot green. I don't know any of that. Okay. This is gonna draw half as many as last time, so it should be fine. I want to know why it's not working sometimes. All right, so I need this to I need it to draw for like a whole second when this happens. No, yeah, we didn't have to gizmos on. Wait. So that's right. That's about what I expect. Why is that going through the ground though? I know why that's happening. It's because we have a plane here. Yeah, the plane is causing that. So what's happening there is that my ball is slightly under the ground, and so as a result, the capsule is slightly under the ground. How am I going to solve that? Well, I don't exactly want it to just pop out either. This is just for very extreme situations. So this should only be around like so this all works basically. The only issue is it needs to not work. Okay, so this instead of instead of 10, this should be this should be like character controller dot radius divided by 2. So this should never actually get the player unstuck like that. It's only if you've rolled down into the ground and gotten your character stuck in the ground. Otherwise, you should just get stuck like this, and then and it won't happen anyways if it's less than the height, so your character won't come back up, and if your thing is less than the capsule's height, which it should be anyways. You should be or less than the radius. In fact, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna add this to the summary. Don't make the distance less than the radius times 2. Because otherwise you will have problems with teleporting through things. You don't want that. Alright. So that's good. Next, what we want to do is we want to give the character some actual movement. So that was all spent on the collision fixing in case your character gets stuck in the ground, because that was happening, and I wanted to make sure I could fix it. Next, we want public public void move wow, okay, thank you, but move though, okay. Vector 3 velocity, and then literally this is going to be the simplest fucking function I've ever written. Vector 3 velocity xy equals velocity velocity xy dot xd, not xy, dot y equals 0, and then just fucking rb dot add force add torque rather. Let's do add torque. Yeah, actually, yeah, add torque is actually, this might be a little more complicated than I thought it would be. Let me look up what add torque is, what function, how that works. Unity add torque. So it's basically just a half-assed quaternion. Torque vector 3 dot Euler zero 90 0 times velocity xc times public float move force equals 1. Let's set equal 1 time move force. This is going to be a very simple function. And then force mode dot ignore the mass. Yeah. And then we actually need to implement the move on the main character, so up here. No wait, it's in the fixed update. If else do curled movement code. And we gotta make that a function. Let's put that right below do normal movement code. All right. What is this using for the V-suit? Free target velocity, that's it. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay. Ball controller dot move v3 target velocity. Bang. Let's see how it works. Probably gonna move us in the opposite direction that we want to actually move, but we'll see. There's a little bit of control. We have a little bit, not as much as we want. But it does move us in the proper direction, so let's first of all, since we know that this is working correctly, let's get rid of the bug physics because it's slow. So yeah, that was a quick coding thing. Let's make this forest like 5. All right, let's compile. All right, ball character controller move forest 5, not 51. That's gonna be way too much. All right. There we go. That's cool. So we can sort of just make ourselves keep accelerating. I think we can actually, I think we have a little too much control over that. Yeah. Yeah, we can make ourselves accelerate too much. We need a max acceleration or max angular velocity. Yeah, we have some problems with fucking being able to accelerate too much. So public float max rotational acceleration equals fucking 5. I don't know. I don't know how to measure rotational acceleration, but basically, this is some new math that I haven't done before. Can you project quaternions? That'd be a weird thing. Quaternion dot no. There's some math I just don't know how to do right now, so I gotta figure this out. Let's look at our functions for quaternion. Oh, we do have a dot product for quaternions. I don't think Euler is going to help us very much. What? Oh. Yeah, this doesn't really help us. Jesus Christ, what am I doing? Oh, this is a fucking vector 3 anyways. I don't even need to worry about fucking quaternions. Uh All right, let's just check to see if this what the actual max rotational acceleration is for this to work. Alright, that's what that is. This isn't what we want because we can't slow it down. Okay, I got it figured out. I got it figured out what I'm gonna do. So basically, if you're going fast, all you can do is turn. So I need to project. Is greater than 0, which means if we're rotating in the direction, if we're gonna end up rotating in the direction we're already traveling. So we don't care about the y movement of the angular velocity. So vector 3 angular velocity xy equals rb dot angular velocity fucking xz, not xy. Why do I keep putting xy? Stop. equals 0. All right, so velocity xc equals project. So what this will do is this will say if we have this will make it so we can only do sideways velocity if we're traveling past a certain speed. I'm almost done. I'm pretty sure I'm almost done. And then do this again. No, don't open. All right. So this will, oops. Yeah. Compile, 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 compile. Okay. So you can still rotate when you embass the max speed, but other than that. I thought maybe there would be a problem where you could build up speed by going diagonally, but it's not. It doesn't seem to be an issue. You can still slow down. So you have a little bit of control over your rolling. Let's give you a little more control. Let's make the max rotation acceleration like 20, just so you have a little more. All right. 20. I'm gonna go ahead and save the scene just so it saves my variables. So you can roll up to like I gotta make sure that you can't you have a little bit of control. So if you get stuck down here, you can roll out. So that's cool. I want to make sure you can't like yeah, you can't make map like repeatedly increase speed. Do this to increase speed. Actually, that's good. You're gonna get a little extra speed once you I didn't make it. So yeah, this is all good now. This is you can roll out of there. This is all good. If you're stuck under like a thing like this, you can roll out. That's all I needed. Let's see if this thing works. No, you still get stuck. That's the pain. You should be able to just stand up there. I have an idea. I have an idea. What if I make this sphere radius slightly larger? 0, 4, 1. Will that cause any problems? Doesn't look like it. It won't let me come out though. Oh, because I'm clipping. Am I in the ground? No, it doesn't look like it. Why can't I come out of the sphere now? I'm gonna make it way absurdly big. Why won't it let come? It won't let me come out of the sphere now. What's it having trouble with? I thought I was almost done, but I want to be able to get this to work. I want a larger. I do want a larger sphere, slightly larger. Okay, so it is actually. Come on, give me my fucking. Okay. It's failing to do that. So what is the issue here? So, oh. Let's try that. Okay, that was it. That was the issue. So now I can make my ball a little smaller. A little bigger. Just for, and I don't want it that much bigger, but I want it a little bigger. I want it like, where is it? 0.401. That's how much bigger I want it. And that way, I believe that will allow me to come out of this. Nope. Huh. Yeah, kind of. Let's make it 4-1. Oh, this thing is slightly tilted, isn't it? That's why it's doing that. Okay, so this thing needs to be, like, completely vertical if that's gonna work. It actually makes sense that it's, yeah. It actually makes sense that it's doing that. So let's make it let's make it 401 again. All right. So you have a little bit of control. And that's just to prevent you from being able to get stuck. So if you go into this stairs and you're like, oh no, I'm stuck, you can roll out. Cool. Let's do it. Yeah. I made it. Sweet. So I've been playing, when I was playing Hat in Time, I noticed that they actually had you standing you could actually stand on the edge of platforms. So I imagine they used the same technique I'm using for the collision to make a cylinder, even though physics doesn't allow cylinder collisions. So I imagine, the people who made Hat in Time are as smart as I am, if not smarter. So yeah. Well, let's see what happens if you run down and, like... No, it doesn't work. It's not good. Ah, shit. Yeah, don't walk over the edge of that. Yeah. Cool. I added a little late jump forgiveness. It's probably too much, but it's fine for now. All right. So yeah, that's my game. That's my game prototype so far. Don't know why my character is getting stuck. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's weird. That's not good. Can't roll out. Can't roll out. Wake me up inside. Can't roll out. I have an idea. Let's... Let's try that. Yeah, that works. I don't think this allows us to speed up infinitely, but yeah, it doesn't really. Alright, there's one more glitch I should fix. It's an animated glitch. So I'm actually triggering the T-jump when I'm rolling, which I shouldn't be able to do. So I can add jump buffering in later, but I don't need to add that bad. Okay. And so to this I need to add and is curled up. All right. So that should fix it. All right. It does. All right. Put that back. And we're done. So let's end the stream, upload it to GitHub, and eat some lunch, and fucking get Devil May Cry 3 ready. I have to exit play mode. Okay. So, see you guys with some Devil May Cry 3. Resuming the game that I started a while ago before Spider-Man, and then I did Spider-Man for a while, and then I'm gonna do some more Devil May Cry 3. So, see you then. Thank you for watching. See ya.